Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you the best cue cards and how you can achieve the highest band score in speaking module with the help of these sample answers which I am giving to you. I'm not saying that you should memorize them. You can take an idea from them that how you need to answer a specific cue card. So this is our cue card series and let's start. So the question is that describe a song that has special meaning for you. And in this you should say what is this song is about, when and where you first heard the song, how often you listen to this song, and explain why it has special meaning for you. Now as far as answer is concerned, I have prepared a sample answer for you. Kindly watch it. I love listening to music, so I like many songs. However, one of my favorite songs that I want to talk about is Hall of Fame by The Script and Will I Am. This song was written for the 2012 Olympic Games. When it came out, it quickly became a hit on every single music chart throughout the world, not just because of its catchy melody, but also for its meaningful lyrics. The song talks about how each of us can be a champion or anything we want to be as long as we dedicate our time and efforts to doing what we are passionate about. The song is played at the biggest athletic events to pump up the crowd, but you can easily relate to the song at other times as well, especially when you are about to give up. I think this song has such a powerful message that whenever I was tired or had decided to quit, it would lift me up right away, and it made me think about why I had started in the first place and that I needed to finish the job that I was currently doing. So these are that kind of answers which you can use. Just take an idea from this cue card and you can use it in your own way, that how you can answer these cards. In these you can see some of the highlighted words, that just like catchy melody, meaningful lyrics, champion, dedicate, pension, to pump up, and these vocabulary words will show the examiner that this person has a quality of vocabulary in his brain, so he or she can use this mixture or amalgam to create or produce a structure which is best suited for this sentence making. So you can use these as a sample cue card, and you can also mix your ideas as well. Now just go to comment section and write one of yours, and do send me on my Instagram as well. It's IELTS Maximum by Hamza. So see you in the next video. So until then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.